There are various furnaces of different sizes and different procedures throughout a building, and there are maintenance procedures suggested for such. Monthly, check air filter and housing integrity. Correct or repair as needed. Check for particulate accumulation on filters. Clean or replace if accumulation results in a pressure drop or airflow outside of established operating limits. Visually inspect fuel filter. Clean, repair, or replace as needed to ensure proper operation. These are to be done on a monthly basis. Semi-annual maintenance. Check fuel pump for proper operation. Repair or replace as needed. Check control system and devices for evidence of improper operation. Repair, adjust, or replace components to ensure proper operation. Check fan belt tension. Check for belt wear and proper alignment. Replace if necessary. Annually. Check control box for dirt, debris, and/or loose terminations. Clean and tighten as needed. Check fan blades. Clean, repair, or replace to ensure proper operation. Check drive alignment, wear, seating and operation. Repair and replace as needed. Check integrity of all panels on equipment. Replace fasteners as needed to ensure proper integrity and fit and finish of equipment. Lubricate field serviceable bearings. Check for proper damper operation. Repair, replace, or adjust as needed. Check the combustion chamber, burner and flue for deterioration, moisture problems, condensation, and combustion products. Clean, test, and adjust combustion process for proper operation. Check heat exchanger. Clean as necessary to remove scale and sediment. Check for leaks. Thank you very much for listening to this video. Take care now. Bye.